share my story not because it's perfect, but because it's real. Pasensya na, naiyak na agad ako. In May 2010, my children and I's life changed completely. My husband left, and suddenly I found myself alone with 2 children. No partner, no family nearby, canceled visas, no money, and kicked out of our home. We were in a foreign land, and I didn't know how we would survive the next day, let alone the years ahead. But God knew, and I held on to that. I had to become both mother and father. I worked hard to put food on the table, to keep a roof over our heads, and to create a sense of stability where there was none. But I wasn't alone in that fight. Kirsten, my daughter, and Kenji, my son, step up in ways that most children their age never should have to. They didn't complain. They didn't wait to be asked. They found ways to help, to earn and support our little family in every way they could. We weren't just a mother and her children anymore. We were a team. Yes, there were moments when their beliefs didn't align with mine as they started to grow up. But I choose to love over control because as a mother's love isn't about control. It's about faith. Faith in their journey and faith in God. That He would guide them, just as He guided me through the hardest moments in my life. In this journey over the years, I learned to support them, not just as a parent, but as a human being. Never having to enforce them to live according to their expectations, not to conform to society's timeline. Giving them the freedom to find their path while keeping our bond unshaken. I choose instead to love them unconditionally, to let them know that they are enough, just as they are, wherever they are in life. Today, by the grace of God, we are no longer where we are. We have a home, laughter in our hearts, and love that never left us, because we never gave up on each other. To every mother here who has ever felt like she had to do it all alone, you are seen, you are enough, and you are never alone. Motherhood isn't about perfection. It's about love, endurance, and faith. You are not forgotten nor forsaken. God sees you, and He is walking with you even when no one else is. Happy Mother's Day, and may God continue to bless each and every one of you.